Enhance your repair and DIY projects with Dorman's high-quality mechanics wire, designed for versatility and long-lasting performance. Available in a variety of gauges and lengths, this wire is perfect for temporary repairs that require binding, tying, or securing components. Its flexible yet sturdy construction makes it ideal for a wide range of household, industrial, and commercial applications, offering reliable support whenever and wherever you need it. Conveniently supplied on a spool for ease of use, it allows for quick and efficient handling without tangles or frustration. Whether you're securing plants in a garden trellis, bundling wires, or performing vehicle repairs, Dorman Mechanics wire provides dependable strength and malleability to get the job done. Ensure the perfect fit for your specific application by entering your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. Built from premium materials, this wire withstands repeated use, delivering performance you can trust for all your projects. Click the link in the video description to purchase now, and subscribe to the channel for more essential tools and innovative solutions for home, workshop, and automotive needs.